What's going on, guys? On my way right now to go pick up the TL. Excited to get it back. Let's go. Feels good to finally have this thing back. It's been so long. And honestly, it's disgusting right now. I need to get it washed really bad. I'm gonna get some gas and spray it off. Initial driving impressions after getting it back from the shop though. I don't know if it's just because I've been driving the G35 around a lot and that thing's like a rickety box, but it feels really solid. Even like going over bumps and stuff feels a lot tighter for sure. I miss this thing so much, man. It's such a good car. Big fan. Big fan. 3rd gen TL. Love it. Don't know why. Ugh. I didn't even realize how bad this thing was. What was that? Getting there. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this thing's so cool. All right, let's go get some gas. I'll get a little pull in here for you guys. Holy shit. This thing's actually... What the hell? Oh my god. I remember it being slower, to be honest. Maybe it's because it was heat soaking in the summer. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with it, but it actually feels faster now. It's funny. I'm gonna throw the C-Tech on. Gonna put the heater on. Maybe I'll find a way to clean this thing. I don't know. I'm just happy to have it back, to be honest. It's finally here. I'm gonna open these up and then show you what's inside. Yeah, there we go. Let's go. Kitty. I think that's the intercooler. That means you need to get off. Dude, what are you doing? Whenever you get your kit, not recommended to let your animal on it. What are you doing? Fine, okay. You know, you really interested in vacuum lines or what? Yeah, shout out to Andy from Gerzy. I think this took maybe 2 weeks. I don't know, since the day I ordered, I think it was 2 weeks. And this is coming to Canada too, right? So it's pretty crazy. That was way faster than I expected. I actually just ordered like the Honda Flash Pro and everything this morning, and my poly motor mounts. I wasn't really expecting this for a few more weeks. Hey, dude, it's gonna eat it. What are you doing, man? Yeah, I wasn't expecting this for a few weeks, so definitely a nice surprise. It's like an early Christmas present. But yeah, I'm gonna get into this. Figure I might as well go through stuff. So got a belt here, got I guess trans cooler, I don't know, there's some stuff here. I think these are maybe injector harnesses. Got a bracket here. I think this is the fuel pump. Sick. I don't even know what to go for next, like so much stuff in here. This, don't know what that is. Some piping. Injectors. Ooh, cooler. Ooh. Hey, can you move? Maybe this is a trans cooler. I don't know, maybe that's trans. This could be something else, don't really know. Some clamps. I assume intercooler piping. Bunch more piping. Some more stuff. Some Rotrex traction fluid. This is it. I guess, yeah, I gotta take it out. Here we go. Get excited. Get excited. Don't go in there. Okay. Oh man. That was a hefty unit. Oh. Look at that. Rotrex clocking. Yeah, you're gonna want your cat face forward going in there. Look at that. Let's go. This is sick. Wow. Wow. I kind of want to take this off for a sec. Let's go. Guess that this was the intercooler. It literally says air-to-air intercooler. Nice. Everything was packaged super well. Like nothing's damaged at all. I say that now. Woo! Let's go. Any of the fins damaged? Nope. All right, kind of got everything laid out on the table. I am super hyped. It's cool, actually. I think he attached the blow-off valve before shipping it, so that's cool. But yeah. I'm in the G35. I'm kind of just using this as like my winter beater thing right now. We were trying to figure out last night, I was talking to my buddies about what to do with this thing. I mean, the only reason I still have it is because it's my first car, or it was kind of like the car that got me into cars. The issue with this thing though is that it's an auto and it's a D. Not a fan. We were saying last night it'd be fun with an LS, even just like an NA, like LS3 or something. Just something with a bit of power and a 6-speed. It's a really fun car to slide around, but it's not very fast. Figured I'd hop in the G and go abuse it for a second and make an outro. Ooh, hot. I don't know where I left off. It's been kind of like a crazy week, to be honest. Even just with like UPS, trying to get the blower across the border. Give me the beans. So slow. Part of me to think there's a cop in front of me. I'm so excited to get started on that thing, man. So right now I'm waiting for a few things. Got the innovative mounts on the way. I also ordered the Honda Flash Pro at the same time. So I know that it says it has force induction, like startup calibration and stuff, but I don't know how any of that works. Like I don't know if I need to reach out to the tuner first and kind of like get a startup file. Like the only things that would really change the startup of the car and like how it runs would be there's a bigger fuel pump and bigger injectors, which obviously that, you know, it's going to change it. I don't know if their like startup calibration can account for that. Like if that's just something you can plug in. I don't know. I'll talk to somebody who knows what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing. I am going to kind of just film like the process of me doing it, and you know anything I get stuck on, anything I noticed that was different for me. If I did anything differently or whatever. If I can make like low 400s at the wheel, I think that would be a ton of fun. No real updates on the kit for the Z yet. That's kind of okay because like I want to get the TL figured out like well in advance of the Z in terms of installing the kit. It's not going to be like too complicated, and there's not too many things to like modify. I'd say the biggest thing you have to do is really modifying like the fuel pump basket, but like you just have to kind of make a few cuts, right? Like it's nothing hard per se. The Z is going to require so much more work. The engine has to come out, has to get built, the turbo kit has to go on, all this shit has to be modified, and the car's going to make a ton of power. It's going to be trying to destroy everything around it, right? So I want to get the TL figured out and driving really well before I even touch this. I'm super excited to get started on the build. I appreciate you guys watching. I've just been driving around aimlessly for a while, so I don't want to bore you guys too much. So I'll see you in the next one. Next video, I will start installing the kit, and we'll get moving.